Hi, I'm Steve with HillBilly Mojo. Thanks for watching. We hope you'll stop by our website at www.hillbillymojo.com. You'll find great recipes and cool stuff, products, and more videos like these. Today we are cooking HillBilly Mojo Blackberry Swamp pork rib chops. Okay, we're gonna make blackberry swamp sauce for these big old thick pork chops. Now to do that, we've got about a paw full of plump blackberries, and we're gonna crush them. Now a meddler would be really good for this situation, but don't have one, so I'm gonna use my beer bottle. You're welcome to do whatever works best for you. Once the berries are crushed, we're gonna add some HillBilly Mojo Swamp. A little heat, a little sweet. The swamp is great on pork and poultry and seafood. It's our Cajun Blend. It's got some good Italian herbs in it. It goes really well on pork. You can use the black or the red too, just whatever you like. We're gonna make a paste out of this stuff. We're gonna add a little HillBilly Mojo twang, country twang, barbecue sauce, and a little squirt of lime. That always makes everything better. Mix it all up good. Now I'll brush on a little country twang barbecue sauce first, and then we'll smear this blackberry swamp sauce all over those chops. Let's grind a touch of hickory smoked sea salt on there for good measure. And here we go. Now don't these just look fabulous? And now to the fire. All right, we want to sear these chops, so we'll put them right at the firebox opening for just a bit. Listen to them sing. Okay, let's move them away from that fire and get them one more good application of blackberry swamp with a little country twang mixed in. Brush that right on there. We want it to be tasty and moist. Once they have a good sear on them, we're going to wrap them in foil or butcher paper or whatever you like, put a little butter in, and back into the smoke they go. And we're going to insert a probe to monitor the internal temperature, and at about 157 to 160 degrees, we're going to pull them out. Pull them out, let them rest, sit them on the counter for about 10-15 minutes, and don't unwrap them. When it's time, open them up, make a cut. Look at that moist, thick chop. Visit HillBillyMojo.com for more recipes, cool stuff, and try out our hickory smoked sea salt and the rubs and spices that we make with them. Stay wild and free.